In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in PayPal in 2025. If you're a business owner or freelancer looking to streamline your billing process, PayPal provides a seamless way to manage and send invoices. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to navigate to your PayPal account. If you haven't yet saved the link to your browser, you can easily find PayPal's website with a quick search. Once there, you'll look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already familiar with this part, you'll know that PayPal often requires a two-step verification to ensure the security of your account. You might see an option to get a text message with a verification code, either through WhatsApp or directly to your cell. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, and after you've received the code, input it to log into your account. With that done, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage or the account summary page. Now on this page, look around for the option that says Send and Request. It's one of the main features of PayPal and allows you to easily manage transactions. Click on this and you'll see several options unfold. One of these options will be Send an Invoice. Select this to start the creation process. When you're on the invoicing page, you will be able to fill in the necessary details. You'll want to begin by adding your client's email address so that PayPal knows who to send the invoice to. Then you'll move on to filling out the invoice details, such as specifying what the invoice is for, adding a description of the services or products provided, and importantly, the amount you are billing for. PayPal allows you to customize these details to match the structure you prefer, whether it's itemized or just a total amount. It's advisable to double check everything to make sure that all your details are accurate to avoid any disputes later on. Once you're satisfied with how your invoice looks, you can save it as a draft if you might want to review it later, or immediately hit send, and PayPal will take care of delivering it to your client's inbox. They will also receive a notification that they've been invoiced, ensuring prompt attention to your billing. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on creating and sending invoices using PayPal. This method is not only efficient but also secures the transactions through a trusted platform. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding and confidence to manage your invoicing needs with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.